Hey everyone, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is a fascinating step forward in the flagship smartphone lineup from Honor, offering a refined design, cutting-edge technology, and significant upgrades over its predecessor, the Magic 6 Pro. The device addresses many of the critiques aimed at the Magic 6 Pro, particularly in the design department. If the previous generation's aesthetics did not appeal to you, the Magic 7 Pro might change your mind with its sleek, modern appearance. Before you start, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This will support our channel. New design features a glossy finish, golden frame, and striking green color variant. Though camera module's aesthetics might not please everyone, this design shift makes the device feel more familiar yet premium. With matte side frame that adds touch elegance while enhancing usability. Frame now maintains consistent width, making device more comfortable to hold, while 2.5D glass provides symmetry and durability. Honor has doubled down on performance with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering flagship-level power for demanding tasks and gaming. However, the optimization out of the box is questionable, requiring users to adjust settings, such as performance modes and game profiles, to unlock its full potential. Despite minor throttling issues, the Magic 7 Pro performs admirably in gaming scenarios, showcasing its prowess as a high-performance device. Overheating problem persists, but it's manageable during regular use. Face ID on Magic 7 Pro is a standout feature, offering unparalleled speed and reliability, arguably the fastest implementation in market, even compared to Apple's iPhone. This makes the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner less essential, though it remains an option. Phone also boasts improved cameras, including 200-megapixel primary sensor and TOF sensor, ensuring excellent photography capabilities in various conditions. Honor continues to prioritize user experience with vibrant display specifications, including 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR support, delivering a premium visual experience. The phone's audio quality impresses with loud, clear stereo sound and a tactile vibration system, though the latter's implementation in the user interface is minimal. Additionally, the Magic 7 Pro offers 100-watt fast charging and a larger battery, enhancing its utility for power users. However, potential buyers should be cautious of the Chinese firmware in the domestic version, as it lacks features like eSIM and Android Auto. Notifications and software quirks in the Chinese build can also be a hassle, making the global version more appealing, albeit at a higher cost. For those considering the Chinese version, the limited availability of accessories, such as quality screen protectors, might also be a downside. The Magic 7 Pro is a flagship contender that balances style and substance while addressing past criticisms. Its excellent design, cutting-edge features, and standout Face ID functionality make it a worthy successor to the Magic 6 Pro. However, its heating issues, firmware differences, and premium pricing in the global market might deter some users. For enthusiasts willing to navigate these challenges, the Magic 7 Pro promises an exceptional smartphone experience. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you soon.